Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on the Grubhub app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email on the Grubhub app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Grubhub app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Email. Then this is where you're going to go ahead and change your email and then log in and then click on Save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.